Hi, welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to use chart effects in Snapchat. And it's literally an easy process, so make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. Snapchat offers a lot of exciting chart features designed to elevate your messaging interactions. And among these are the vibrant chart effects that are the dash of creativity to your conversations. For those using Snapchat on Android, here's a comprehensive guide on how to make the most of these chart effects. Step 1. Begin by launching the Snapchat app on your Android device. Ensure that you are logged in to your Snapchat account. Step 2. Swipe right from the camera screen to enter the chart section, and here you'll find your ongoing conversations on the options to initiate new charts. Step 3. Tap on the chart thread of the person to whom you wish to send a message. This action will open the chart conversation window. Step 4. Type out the message you want to convey. Additionally, you can attach multimedia content like pictures, videos, or other media files to enhance your message. Step 5. Now here comes the fun part. Applying chart effects. You can trigger these effects by using specific keywords that are tailored to particular themes. So for example, type congratulations to initiate a captivating emoji provided on the right side. Type happy birthday will unveil delightful birthday themed emoji. Now type love to infuse your message with charming heart emoji, and the possibilities go on. One of the exclusive features in Snapchat allows you to adjust the size of your text messages. By holding onto a specific icon, you can make your message larger or smaller. If you move the icon upwards, the text message will expand, while moving it downwards will reduce it to its regular size, and you have to release the holding on the icon to release the message. Snapchat's intelligent system recognizes these keywords automatically. Once you type the designated word, send the message, and voila! The corresponding chart effects will enliven your message, leaving a delightful impact on the recipient. With these engaging chart effects, your Snapchat conversations will be transformed into lively and visually appealing exchanges, making your messaging experience all the more enjoyable and expressive. Experiment with different keywords and add a touch of flair to your charts. And that's all for now, folks. Hope you like and subscribe. Thank you.